Hey everyone, Xzon101 here, and I'm here to update you a little bit on Unityscape I've been making. It's been quite a while since I've released an update, and the updates I've been doing for it have been pretty small, but I came up with the new idea for the mobile aspect of the game, and also to make it more my own as well as still similar to what RuneScape was. As you can see, I shrank down the main map. I'm going to be making the areas more like instances, so there's going to be teleports. You'll go to the wilderness. It'll be a wilderness-like design on an island kind of thing. Everything will be instance-wise in that aspect, but still online, so when you go there, it'll all be fine. But it reduces the lag as well. So we have a mining area that I'm creating in the bottom left corner there. I'm creating a docking area where you see this larger water area here, which will also be for fishing. There's a few lot of things that I would like to add, more monsters and stuff. We still have the same monsters I had before. I have 5 types of trees, so we can do regular log, wood cutting, oak, willow. I think I forgot to put maple, but we'll get there at some point. So how about we just give it a look-see. So just logging in here quickly with just a random account. We have our basic stat screen like before, checking for updates. Let's just log in and see what happens. I'll lower my media volume, probably because it might record in-game volume. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but it plays music now. If you can't hear it, but now you can through the mic. I'll lower it though, so that's not bothering our conversations here. So our general combat is still functioning. Inventory system. Everything has been repaired. I have my battery saver on, so it's lagging a bit because my phone's CPU and everything is actually being bogged down. This actually does the same thing for me when I'm playing actual old school RuneScape, so it's just a little bit worse is all. There is extra weapons now added, as well as shields and stuff. You can go check over our store here. Oops. It's not too bad. I'm not sure what the hell this guy has right now. Nothing. I'll get him working at some point soon enough. Banking, I think, is glitched at the moment, but I will fix that. We do have the larger map now functioning. I will need to zoom that map out, actually, or add buttons so that we can zoom in and out of the main map here. Okay, I figured that was going to happen. Clicking on the mini-map causes a stupid error still. What's going on here? Am I wood cutting? No, I'm not wood cutting. Tools, tinder, no, hatchet, cut wood. Yes, I gotta add a tool belt. Or make sure that the hatchet is equipped to the player before it allows you to swing. But I really wanted to make it easier, so I'm thinking instead of adding axes, just equip everyone with the series of axes, and as they level up, those axes just become usable.